Question number 32 of test series 1 is from geotechnical engineering from topic index properties. In this question, 4 statements are made and we have to select which one of the following is correct statement. First one says value of n lies between 0 to 1. As we know, n is called as porosity. Second statement is value of E, that is void ratio, it can be greater than equal to 0. Third option says value of S, that is degree of saturation, can be greater than equal to 0. And fourth says W lies between 1 and 0, that is 0 and 1. Now we will go by definition and three-phase system. Now this is three-phase system. Here we have some soil solids, soil, some water, this is water, and above it air. Now its volume will be given by volume of air and water will be volume of water, and volume of voids, it will be equal to volume of air plus volume of water, and this volume of soil is given as say Vs. Now by definition, porosity is volume of voids is to total volume. So this volume of voids will always be less than total volume, because volume of voids only comprises of volume of air plus volume of water, which has to be less than volume of air plus volume of water plus volume of solids. So porosity always lies between 0 and 1. So first statement is absolutely correct. Now let's talk about void ratio. By definition, void ratio E is given by volume of voids is to volume of solids. Now it is possible that volume of voids, it can be greater than volume of soil depending upon type of compaction or type of soil. Volume of voids can be greater than volume of soil because they are independent of each other. So value of E, that is void ratio, can be greater than 0. So second option is also correct. Now let's talk about third statement. Degree of saturation is defined as volume of water divided by volume of voids. Now volume of voids comprises of volume of air plus volume of water. So volume of water will definitely be less than volume of voids in every case. So degree of saturation, it can be greater than 0, but it can never be greater than 1. So statement 3 is incomplete, hence it is incorrect. Now let's talk about W. W is defined as weight of water is to weight of solids. Now analysis of this W is also similar to void ratio, that weight of water, it can be greater than weight of solids. So W or water content can assume value even greater than 100. So statement 4 is also incorrect, hence 1 and 2, they are only correct options, hence B is the correct answer.